Hello everyone, welcome to my online ads. Today we'll discuss about why your campaign status says misconfigured. So I usually see with people who are just getting started with Google Ads, they generally set up the whole campaign and they don't see their ads running because their campaign status is misconfigured. So let's go see an example like how it looks like if your campaign is misconfigured. So you will see the campaign name here, you'll see the budget, and you'll see the status. So under status, you will see misconfigured and you'll see your bid strategy. So it all has to do with what your bid strategy is. So that is the one, that is the main primary one that you got to look at. So this is something which is very important to fix your campaign status if it says misconfigured. So there is something wrong with your bid strategy. That's what you have to understand. So don't be confused with this interface. So this is the old AdWords interface. I haven't got any examples of the new one where it says misconfigured. So this is how the new AdWords interface looks like, and this is my campaign which I created, that is nesting, and this is my daily budget, and this is my status where it says eligible, because I'm using the right bid strategy for my conversions and for my campaign. So why does your campaign says misconfigured, and why are your ads not running? So let's go and understand why does this happen in first place. So when I go to my campaigns and go to the settings tab and here on the left hand side and see what my bidding is, I can see that I choose maximize clicks as my bidding strategy. So if you want to read about maximize clicks, you can just put your mouse on this question mark and you will know more about it. So what usually people do is they check box this one for enhanced CPC. So you can again read about this, just place your mouse on the question mark. So it says the bids will get adjusted if there is a chance of a conversion. So by any chance, if Google algorithm sees that you have a chance of getting a conversion, your bids will go higher and lower according to it. So most of the people, without collecting the data of conversions, they check this box. So that is the primary reason why your campaign status says misconfigured. So if you have conversion data, this is how you can check your conversion data, whether or not you have conversions or not. So if you don't have any conversions in your conversion data, this is my conversions tab, and I haven't got any data so far. I haven't collected any conversion data. But if I go and choose my bid strategy as, let's say, maximize conversions or target CPA or target ROAS. So all these bidding strategies, that is target CPA, target ROAS, maximize conversions, enhance CPC, all these bidding strategies 1, 2, 3 and 4 need to have conversion data. And even when you select maximize clicks, you don't need any conversion data for maximize clicks. But if you select maximize clicks and checkbox this, then you will have to need conversions again, because what this says is help increase conversions with enhanced CPC. Enhanced CPC simply means that it's going to increase your bids if Google algorithm sees that there is a chance of a conversion. So all those people where their status is misconfigured, all you have to do is come to your campaign settings, click on bidding, and under bidding, just check what bid strategy that you're using. Let's say you're using target CPA. Even for this, you need conversions. If you're using target ROAS, you need conversions. If you're using maximized conversions, you obviously need conversions for this. Even if you're using enhanced CPC, you will need to have conversion data. And how to check that, I think I already showed you. You go to tools, click on conversions, and see the conversion data. So you will need a minimum conversions of around 20 to 30 to use any of these strategies like maximize clicks or target CPA or target ROAS. So this is one of the main reasons why your campaign status is misconfigured. I hope I helped you in fixing up your campaign status now. And if you have any other queries regarding your Google Ads account, you can post in the comment section. And please do subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to make any new videos on any of the issues that you're facing in Google Ads, please be free to put it in the comment section. I will definitely make a video for all you guys. And for now, thank you so much for watching the video.